When renovating or furnishing a home, we look for products that are not only beautiful and unique, but also durable and easy to install. Increasingly, we want to enjoy the effect of change as soon as the work is completed. Our wall panels are manufactured using SPC, stone polymer composite technology. The hard composite core has been coated with a decorative layer and protected with a UV-resistant coating. SPC wall panels are waterproof and can be successfully installed in spaces exposed to moisture. They do not require grouting, which allows you to avoid areas potentially prone to mold and mildew. The color range of SPC panels includes matte and gloss patterns. The advantage of gloss panels is that they optically enlarge even small rooms, turning them into luxurious and more spacious interiors. Matte patterns are gaining popularity in interior design, with no smudges or dirt showing on their surface. SPC wall panels come in two sizes, 60 by 30 and 120 by 60 centimeters. Before installation, leave the panels in a horizontal position for 24 hours before installing them. Prepare the wall, level, clean, and degrease it. When installing the panels in areas exposed to moisture, secure the wall with a liquid membrane and wait 12 hours. Before starting work, check the horizontal and vertical lines. All sockets should be removed. When installing the panel, the tongue of the panel should always face upwards. First, read the installation instructions. Be sure to check the panels before installation. Measure and adjust to the required size. Apply a hybrid polymer-based adhesive to the back of the panel, leaving a gap of about half a centimeter from the edge of the panel. This way, the adhesive will not flow out when the panel is pressed against the wall surface. Then place the panel against the wall. Press down with both hands and check that the horizontal line is correct. It's important to seal the panels with silicone. On the wall just above the panel tongue, apply a small amount of silicone, so that when you install the next panel, the silicone will distribute itself correctly between the panels. Subsequent panels are assembled in the same way, each pushed against the previous panel. Properly installed panels have an almost invisible edge joint. The panels are thin, so they can also be successfully installed over old and stable tiles, saving time needed to remove them and reducing construction debris to zero. When making an external corner, you have two options. You can cut the panels at a 45-degree angle or use the ready-made A05 finishing trim. If you choose to cut the panels yourself at a 45-degree angle, remember to use tape to hold the panels in the corner to ensure a correct and neat joint. When making an external corner using a trim, simply apply the panels and attach the trim. When making an inside corner, there is no need to use trims, as one panel pushed against another already creates an inside corner. Once the inside corner has been made, secure the panels on both sides with tape and apply acrylic or silicone caulk at the joint. If you need to cut a round hole in the panel, we recommend using a hole saw. It is worth noting though that the panel is easy to work with, and you can successfully cut it using a multi-tool, for example in order to install sockets. Decorative elements such as mirrors, hangers, and cabinets can be hung on a wall finished with SPC wall panels. They must be fixed to the panel installation surface. You have to wait 12 to 24 hours after installation before you hang anything on the panels. The panels are easy to keep clean. With SPC wall panels, you can easily update a room in a very short time, on your own and without the help of professionals. The end result will be surprising.